Okay, so hello. This is actually the fourth chapter in your PU grade, so which is laws of motion. So if you see here, you have certain concepts which is really very important for your 12th grade as well. So let me just explain you a little concepts here. So force, yes, you all know it is actually the product of mass and acceleration, correct? So that is how the definition also is given. So when I say product, it is into. So if you see m into a, there's a reason we just gives the definition also as it is equal to the product of mass and acceleration. So the SI unit is Newton. As Newton has invented this, yes, it has come up with uh, the same SI unit is given to the force. And moving to the next concept, which is momentum, this is given with, actually you can see the same thing, product of mass and velocity is momentum. So what is the SI unit of momentum then? SI unit of momentum would be kg. As mass it's kg, and velocity would be meter per second. Okay, so because velocity has that particular definition, correct? So distance by time, right? So based on that, you actually just go ahead and give the SI units. So when it comes to impulse, yes, impulse actually is equal to the product of the force and the time interval. So that is actually the impulse, so which is also equal to the change in momentum. So any change in momentum, we call it as impulse also. And you can see the SI unit here, it is Newton second. So there is no per or anything. The reason, I mean, Newton per second. So divided by. So what does that mean? As it is a product, so it is just coming that way. So Newton and second both are in the numerators, right? So that's the reason we just give it as Newton second. So force and time, change in time. So friction next. So friction, actually you have limiting frictions and yeah, many things. So I have actually just given certain key points also here. Please just go through these things also, so which can really just help you a lot. So uh, and apart from that, the fifth chapter also is just continued here, which is work, energy, and force, where the definitions of the work is given, as well as the kinetic energy, the definition along with the equations, which is really very important when it comes to problems, because we all know that physics is actually solving problems. So make sure that you just go through these things, which can really just help you. So yeah, I have work which is Fs cos theta, and kinetic energy which is equal to half mv square, and potential energy mgh. So power which is equal to work done by time taken. So these are certain concepts what actually I have just covered. So key points is given with chapters also for every chapter. So I would just say that just go through these things, which can really just help you a lot to easily remember the concepts well. So that's all. So I think, like as I always say, we have the number here. So always just get in touch with us for any support you need, some materials, or do comment. So for any particular material you need, or the complete chapters, notes, or the problems associated with it. So we are happy to guide you on this. So thank you.